guys, Abby here. So I'm going to do a quick little tutorial here on a trick called an isolation. I'm going to start with, I want to use a small lightweight hoop as I possibly have. It's the easiest when you have a smaller hoop. I'm going to hold the hoop straight out in front of me at pelvic level like this. My dominant hand is holding onto the hoop. So I want to think right now that the hoop is like a steering wheel and I'm not trying to move it out of the circle that it's in. So using my hand, I have a pretty loose grip on the hoop, but I'm holding it firmly. I'm going to use my shoulder and elbow to direct the hoop over to the left. Without moving the hoop outside of this frame, I'm only moving my arm. Now when I can't move my arm any further here, I'm going to let the hoop roll over my palm, flatten my hand. Then I'm going to grab the hoop over on the right side. So I'm going to rotate my shoulder so I can grab the hoop here. And then doing the same thing, I'm going to drag it down, trying to keep the hoop in that frame. I want to be making the movement as seamless as possible, trying to get that optical illusion. I see a lot of people do stuff like this and kind of let go of the hoop. You want to just focus on keeping the hoop in the plane and really making sure that you're using your shoulder here to move it over. So some things you can do to practice that are just to kind of rock the hoop back and forth like this to keep it in its plane. And then you can also, having like your palm, the hoop going over your palm right here, you can practice grabbing it from side to side. So this is a really fun trick. It's one of my favorites to perform. There's a lot of cool things you can do with it. So I hope that you enjoy. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Have a great day, everybody.